Hi, I'm Mike from Princeton Satellite Systems. I'm going to show you how to generate pork chop plots with the Spacecraft Design Toolbox for MATLAB. Pork chop plots let you determine the best times to depart for another planet. It uses Lambert's time of flight algorithm. Johann Heinrich Lambert was a famous mathematician from the late 1700s. He contributed to many areas of math and science. I already started MATLAB and am viewing the command window. Type help pork chop TOF. The header will appear in the command window. You can see the inputs, outputs, and related functions. For a demo, type pork chop TOF. Two plots will appear. Plots are automatically generated with many functions when you don't ask for outputs. Plot 2 shows an example Lambert transfer orbit. The blue line is the original orbit, the red line the final orbit, and the green line the transfer trajectory. Plot 1 shows the pork chop plot for Earth to Mars. The departure date is on the x-axis and the arrival on the y-axis. The contours show you the required velocity changes. Thank you for watching. For more information, email me at info@psatellite.com. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel.